swings because there's so much movement in their head. Swing and a miss, Grisham down on strikes.